Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here once again to bring you the latest construction progress from the Spotify Camp Nou. And before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you never miss any of our daily updates. It really helps with visibility. Now, let's jump straight into today's tour. We start in the lateral sector, where the transformation grows more visible each day. The ceramic lamas continue to spread across the facade, and the new metallic frames now rise across several vertical levels, marking the full outline of the stadium's future identity. The parking ramp beside it is now fully shaped, and crews are completing the last phases of leveling and compacting. Even without its final paving, the external profile of the stadium is already clear, and the structural lines of the new design stand out more and more. In the central part of the lateral zone, ground leveling is nearly complete, leaving only the final surface layer for later in the project. Every detail here demonstrates the careful planning behind each element, and the pace of work is impressive as teams continue to align the frames and prepare the mounting points for the next steps. Now we move to the north goal, where interior and exterior changes continue in parallel. Outside, the rising frame for the curved ceramic lamas is expanding quickly, forming the distinctive wave-like facade that will set the north goal apart. The nearby access ramp is also progressing steadily, as crews create new circulation paths for supporters. Inside, the first VIP ring is almost entirely closed, with new corridors, rooms, and structural divisions taking shape. The second VIP ring is rising at a similar rhythm, building the next level of premium spaces. The diamond-shaped structure continues to grow taller, with concrete layers and reinforcing steel gradually adding height and volume. Inside the diamond, the cafeteria area is taking shape, with steel rebar climbing upward and aluminum framing already installed. And before we continue, don't forget to tap the like button and make sure you're subscribed for daily Camp Nou updates. Your support keeps this channel growing and allows us to bring you closer to every corner of this incredible stadium. Next, we head to the Tribune, where a major milestone has been reached. The second section of the escalator system connecting the atrium to the museum level has now been installed. With this addition, one full escalator line is nearly complete, and the second line is expected to follow shortly. Reinforcement work continues across the Tribune as teams strengthen platforms, interior corridors, and structural connections that will support the expanded spaces and future facilities. The attention to detail here is remarkable, and the pace of work ensures that every structural element aligns perfectly with the final design. Finally, we reach the south goal, one of the most rapidly advancing areas. The metallic substructure for the ceramic lamas now stretches across large portions of the facade, forming the outline of its upcoming curved design. Workers carefully adjust each mounting point in preparation for the next major installation phase. At ground level, new pathways, corridors, and structural bases continue forming, connecting this zone seamlessly to the Tribune and the wider circulation network of the stadium. The speed of progress here matches that of the lateral side, and the south goal is quickly taking shape as a dynamic part of the stadium's overall exterior. And that wraps up today's full site tour from the Spotify Camp Nou. Every sector, lateral, north goal, Tribune, and south goal, is advancing in its own way, shaping the future of this historic stadium day by day. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new update from MegaVerse Builds. Your support allows us to bring these daily updates directly to you. Thanks for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça.